Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ria here once again, and today's video is on geo maps. So today we are going to learn how to geo enrich your data in model and then how to add geo maps to your story. Okay, so we'll do it from scratch, and I know many people find it difficult to how to configure your model to geo enrich it. Okay, it's a confusing task, so today I'll clear all your doubts how you're going to add a perfect geo map with a good layer to your story. So let's get started without wasting any time. So the first step, which is common for every task, every story you build, so first you have to import model. So you have to go into your modeler and you have to import a new model, import a model, start with data, next, and file. And now select the source Excel file that you're going to use in order to create the geo map. So I'm going here, over here, and here. Yeah, this is my data, which is in the account sheet. So let's import it. So let's take a look at our data while it's importing over here. So see, this is our sheet, Excel sheet. We have these dimensions over here. This is the measure. Account ID is a dimension, and all other uh, here columns are as a dimension. So you can see the country column over here. So we have country columns. So using this country column, let's create a location dimension. Okay. Let's see if we can add a geo map using only this country column. We don't have anything over here. Can you see any other dimension columns we have here? No, right? We only have country column. Okay, I hope this is recording. Yeah, it's okay. Now we have successfully created the model, and here you can see we have all our dimensions. Here we have the country column. Okay, so let's save this. Let's save our model sample data set. Save it, and now let's go to stories. Let's create a story. It takes some time to save. Sorry for that. Okay, it's done. Now let's go to our story, and here let's select the responsive mode and create. Now I'll tell you how you can add a geo map to a story. So here you can see any geo maps. Even if you click over here, even if you click over where tools, and if you click, can you see geo maps over here? Many people even find it difficult to find from where we can insert a geo map into our story. Because see, if you click over here, oh, we have to first link a model. So first do that. Let's go to our files. And where is our data? No, 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 not that, not that. Oh my God. I'll also show you today how you can replace your data. Let's replace it. Continue. Let's replace this model with some other model which we were actually going to use. So we should need some patience while doing this. I don't want to make this video too long, that's why I'm hurrying a little bit. You can also watch this video on 2x if you want, if you feel that the video is going too short and slowly. Yeah, this one. Is this correct? Yeah, we have the country dimension. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Replace model. Okay, now the model has been added. Now let's see if we can find geo maps over here. People go over here and see. Can we find any geo maps over here? We have donut, we have time series. That's it. Can you see any geo map option here? No, right? So we can't add a geo map from here. Let's delete this. So geo maps, I'll tell you how you can add it. You have to click this plus sign. You have to click others, and then here you see geomap. Click it. Now we have got a geomap. Now go to the builder. Now you have to add the location dimension. So if your basics are clear for SAC, you have gone through all the learning journeys. So you may know that for creating a geo map, okay, you will need a location dimension. And I think we have that country dimension in our Excel sheet. So let's try using that for now. Let's create a layer. Let's create a chloroplat drill, okay, or bubble. Let's take bubble. Let's take bubble. Okay. Let's give a layer name. It's already there. It's layer 1. Okay, now let's add a location dimension. Oh, I'm not able to find any location dimension over here. Why is it that? Let's open some available objects. Okay, can we drag and drop it over here? No, it's not working. So what do we do now? What are we going to do now? We're stuck now. Now boss is going to, scold us like, why is it taking too much long to create just a geo map, just to add a geo map to story? Okay, so no worries, I'll tell you how you can create your country dimension into a location dimension. So you have to save this story first. Save this story. Remove models. If any models that are not in use, please remove it because it takes extra space. Let's give this as geomaps. Save it. Let's go back to our modeler. Even me as a beginner, when I was a beginner, I have done these mistakes. So I feel that some of the beginners like me might also do the same mistakes. So I am just clarifying your doubts. Owned by me, and we want models only. Where's our model? Oh, this is it. Okay, so what do we have to do now? I'll tell you. See, in order to create a geo map, you will need a location dimension. That's the first criteria. And to create a location dimension, you must geo enrich your data. And that is done in your model. You can't geo enrich your data directly in your story. Okay, so for that you have to come to your model, and not only model, you have to go to your Excel sheet. Actually, you go here. Okay, so with only this country column it won't work. You will need more dimensions which are linked to your country column. Okay, so I'll tell you step by step what you can do. So let's forget about this modular part. Okay, we'll come here, but first we have to modify our stores data. Okay, and then we have to, after modifying, we have to import the data again, re-import to the SAC. So now I'll tell you, I have one more Excel file over here. I'll just open it. Just ignore this. Okay, so here you can see there are so many dimensions. There is a region dimension, country latitude, city latitude, and so on. Okay, so we don't need that much. If you need, then you can use it. But yeah, in this tutorial I'm going to copy paste all these additional dimensions into my Excel sheet. Okay, so let me tell you that only one country dimension is not enough. In order to geo-enrich your data, you need to add city, region, and mainly country longitude and latitude. So that's the main thing which you are going to use to geo enrich your data in your model. Okay, so first let's add this. So let's copy this. Let's copy this. And what was this? What was this? It was country longitude. Okay, and we have to come over here. We have to, oh no, no. First we have to insert the columns over here. Please don't forget this. First insert columns. Okay, give this column a name, country, keep it capital, country, latitude, okay, and country longitude. Okay, so now save this and now go back here, copy this, come over here, and this was country. What was that? Oh my god, I'm again and again forgetting. Oh, it's for country latitude. Okay. Longitude, sorry. So paste it over here. Done. Now come over here. Similarly do for latitude. I think we have 1001 records. So let's come here and let's paste it. Done. We're done adding the country latitude and longitude. Now second step is to add a city and region. Let's insert a column. Oh my god. Let's insert a column over here. Insert. And we have to add one more column over here. Let's add it over here. Insert. Why I keep doing these mistakes? Insert. We have to add one more column. Insert and insert. Now let's give this name as city, region, city latitude and city longitude. And let's save this. Now let's add the data from here. Let's add the city first. Guys, if you feel that this is going, you can do this on your own, so please feel free to either fast forward the video or you can skip this part. City is done and then you can go to region. Copy the data, come here and just paste it. Oh, why is it happening like that? Oh my god, we don't need this then. Let's delete it. I was facing the same issue back then, so let's not waste time in solving that error because our main aim is to create a geomap. Now come to city latitude. I hope the same error doesn't apply on this one. I hope so. I hope so. Guys, I'm not prepared for this, so please spare me. I'm just doing it from the scratch, okay? I'm not prepared for this. Okay, good. Now let's do the same for this. Okay, we're done. It is done. Okay. Okay, done. We have added all the required dimensions, required columns. So now we have to, let's close this. We don't need this. Thank you for your help. And what we have to do is we have to re-import the data. So this is the new data source that we have modified the data source, and now it's time to re-import the data. So let's go to our data management. Can you see any additional columns over here? No, right? So for that we have to re-import the data. I hope I've saved this. Okay. Go over here. It's a little bit slow. Sorry for that. Actually, it's my mistake. So go over here. Now this is the updated data source. Select the accounts sheet and import. I've also taught you how to re-import your data, because you cannot directly modify quantitative values in sorry, not quantitative, qualitative values in a model. Okay, only numeric values are directly modified in your SAC model, but if you want to modify or change or update uh, you know um, qualitative data like dimensions, then you have to do it in your source file, and then you have to re-import the source file like this that I'm doing right now. Set up the import. So I'm giving you all step by step instructions. I hope you will see the entire video, because if you skip even a small part then you'll get stuck. Okay, so you can increase the speed of this video on 1.5x. Okay, but don't skip any part, because then the next part will get confusing if you skip this part. If you skip any one part, then next part will be confusing for you. So watch this video entirely. It's preparing to, okay, the data is validated, and now this is the main part. See, now you have to update it. Okay, some people do this. You don't have to do this because you have added a few columns to your data. Okay, you have added a few columns to your data, so you need to add this option, update. Okay, not this one, and finish. So it is re-importing the data. Once it is done, let's go to our model and let's check if the dimensions are added or not. Okay, it's done. I hope so. The dimensions have got added over here. Please, please, please. Okay. Oh, it's not added. Why? Why? What's the problem? What's the matter? We have saved it over here, right? Yes, we have saved it. Then why it is not? Oh my god. We have to again re-input the data. Sorry for that. We have to delete this one, I think. But as far as I remember, we have to use the update method. Let's do it once again. Oh my god. Let's do it once again, guys. Sorry for that. You will also face the similar issues. Not to worry. I'm here to troubleshoot. I think then we have to select the third option. I guess so. But last time when I used this, it was update as far as I remember. Because we are adding a new dimension, right? Then why we are just, I don't know. Let's try this one now. Setup import. Okay, everything is done. See, we can see here, right? These are the dimensions that we want to add. Okay, next, next. I think we have to choose that third option. Let's try it, choosing the third option. You can skip this part. Okay, guys. Let's choose this option now. Okay. I hope it will work this time. I hope so. I hope so, please. If not, then I have to use some other model which I already imported into my model. I'll use that for my story. Why is it not importing the data? Guys, I don't know what's happening. Why is it not importing? What's the matter? It's saved, right? Why is it not? I don't know, guys, what's happened. I'll troubleshoot this video. I'll give the solution for this in my next video. I have to troubleshoot it. Okay, once I find the solution, I'll just upload it in my next video, and I'll add the link in the description. So for now, let's ignore this because we don't have to waste time. Our main aim is to create the geomaps. So for now, let's go over here and where's our story? Okay, I'll import a new model which I've already created. Let's go to edit. Let's go to edit and let's add a new model. We have to replace this model with the model which I've already imported before. Where is that model? I have to go over here. Owned by me. This one. Okay, I hope so this works. I hope so. I hope so. Yeah, that one. Now I'll show you what's new in this model. I'll just show you. But first, let me add a geo dimension. Okay. Yeah. So see, can you see geo in the location dimension? You're able to see this country geo point, right? So when we click this, a location dimension has been added. Okay, and now you can see here. Let's make it a bigger. And now let's add another dimension. Let's add a counter. For bubble size, we'll add this. Okay, for this, let's add city. Yeah, it's perfect now. It's perfect. See, this is our geo maps. We have successfully added a geo map to our story. You can see USA. For USA, we have this cities like Washington, New York, Los Angeles, Houston. Okay, these are the top cities with most accounts. Okay, USA has a total of 69 accounts. Okay, and in that Washington has the most account, which is 11, and Egypt has 98 accounts with most accounts in Alexandria. So like that you can get the insights quickly. uh, if you have a lot of accounts all across the world, then you can use this. So that's why we use the geo map. So for now, let's save this, remove model which are not in use, and now let's go back to our model. Let's see what I've done. I'll give the solution of that uh, error that issue we occurred just now. So for now, let's see how I geo-enriched my data. So see, here you can see, right? All the dimensions I've added. Country is there, then in city is there, region is there, counter, this was already there, and the latitude and longitude. Okay. So now what I've done is I clicked on country dimension. Okay. I clicked on country dimension and I went to details. I'm telling you how you will be, uh, you know, geo enriching your data. Okay. And then what I did is, why am I not? Oh my god. I can see properties. Oh my god. So guys, I'll just tell you what I've done. So if your model is not geo enriched already, then what you can do is you can open these details over here, and then you will here see a properties option. Okay, so I think I'll have to troubleshoot that issue. Okay, and I have to upload a separate video in telling you how you're going to geo enrich your data. Okay, because I'm not able to do it right now. Sorry for that. But in my next video, I'm going to teach you how you are going to geo enrich your data. I'm not able to see the properties value over here right now because I've already geo enriched my data. Unfortunately, I can't see it. Let's click on some other dimension. Okay, let's click on a city. I'll show you for city. Okay, I'll show you for city. Now for city, imagine this is a country dimension, okay, not a city. And you have to go over here, you have to click properties, and you have to create new. You have to give it a name. Let's give lat, and latitude, and type, give it a type, latitude. Next. Now to create one more property for this, we have to create, and now this will be, oh no, not from here, not from here. Click OK. You have to do it from here. Ignore this part, please. You have to add one more. And this will be longitude, and name will be long. Let's give it, and description longitude. Yeah, and let's save this. We have created the properties. Now we just have to copy this, copy this, come over here and paste it over here. Okay, we have to go, I think we have to go, yeah, we can do it. Oh, we have to click over here, edit dimension table. You can do it right directly from here. Okay, click on this and just paste it. It will take some time to paste. Okay, that's good. Oh, we have to delete some of the members. We don't need this much amount of members. Okay, so just delete this repeated members from here. We have to delete this, and we have to add latitude for these countries. Okay, for Alexandria we have to add the latitude and longitude, and similarly we have to do this for all these countries. You have to do this for all these countries. Okay, and once you do this, you have to save this. So I'll show you what I've done for the country dimension. Where's our country dimension? Oh yeah, this one. It will take time, guys, because you have to add the latitude and longitude for every country. Okay, so see, here you can see we don't have any extra members. We just have these countries, and we have the latitude and longitude. Okay, so you have to do this, and once you do this, once you save this, then you will be able to see your location dimension in your story. Okay, if you don't add the latitude and longitude properties to your dimension, then you will not be able to create any location dimension. You will not be able to see any location dimension directly in your story. Okay, so I hope that's clear, and regarding that issue we faced, I'll try to cover it in my next video. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Happy learning, and I'll see you in your next video. Thank you.